Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove a Google account from your Samsung Galaxy J2 smartphone. So to remove an account from your Samsung Galaxy J2 mobile, at first you need to switch to settings and then you need to tap settings icon and then you need to scroll down to accounts. After that you need to tap accounts. Then you need to tap Google. Now you will able to see the email accounts associated with your Google. Now you need to select the desired email address which you want to remove from your smartphones, and then you need to tap more option and then you need to tap remove account. Again you need to tap remove account. See, the account is removed from your Google account. In this way you can remove an account from Google in Samsung Galaxy J2 mobile phone. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.